Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with PaySafeCard on PUBG Mobile. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use your PaySafeCard on PUBG Mobiles for any purchase, so what you're going to do firstly, just simply add your PaySafe Mastercard. So only if you have the PaySafe Mastercard you'll be able to do this. So simply add your PaySafe Mastercard to your Google account. So to do that, go to your Play Store and then go to your account here on your top right, click on payment and subscription, and then what you're going to do, hit on payment methods and then add your PaySafe Mastercard. So click on add debit or credit card and simply plug in the details of your PaySafe card and then save it, as the preferred payment method. So now that you have already saved this as your preferred payment method, so simply when you go to PUBG Mobile, when you open up and when you hit on any purchase or whatever you want to buy, when you click on it, then it will take you to Google Play where your default payment would have been selected as your PaySafe Mastercard. So in that way you'll be able to pay with PaySafe Mastercard. That's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.